Standard format development to record first information received. Now that you understand the need to record information, let's answer the question, how should the information be recorded? To begin with, information regarding the main aspects or entities must be recorded. These entities are victims, alleged perpetrators, event, source of information, evidence, and intervention. Let's study each entity and identify the relevant attributes. Standard formats to record information regarding each can be developed based on such attributes. Remember that each context may have certain specificities, and these should be kept in mind while developing such formats. For example, if your organization is focusing on the rights of migrant workers or violations in a conflict zone where special laws are in force, then the standard formats need to be contextualized accordingly. The next few slides discusses the attributes regarding each entity that must be recorded. Go over them carefully. Also think about why each attribute is important and why must they be recorded. The guiding question is, would the information about the entity be incomplete if such attribute is not recorded? If the answer is yes, then details regarding such attribute must be recorded. Victim. What attributes about the victim should we have information about? The essential points are listed in the screen. Alleged perpetrators. What attributes about the accused should we have information about? Event. What information about the event should we have? The essential points are listed on the screen. Sources of information. Who provided the information about the event? The details that must be listed are given in the screen. Evidence. Are there documentary or other evidence with regard to the case? Documentary evidence that is relevant should be collected if available. Evidence would depend upon the nature of the case. If the case is related to that of migrant workers, it would be useful to collect copies of the migrant ID cards. The ID cards help to establish the status of the migrant, the nationality, and so on. If the case is related to torture in police custody, it would be useful to gather photographs of the injuries suffered by the victims, or the details of arrest and place of detention, or medical reports of the victim if medical examination is conducted while in custody, and so on. The point is to collect evidence that can help corroborate the facts. Intervention. What action was taken by the legal aid or human rights organization on receiving the complaint? This would describe the immediate assistance provided to the complainant and other interventions made in the case. Assistance provided could be of different nature, such as assistance in filing complaint with the police, or assistance in filing a petition in the court, or sending an urgent appeal or a statement. Remember, any intervention made must be done with informed consent of the complainant or the victim.